Hi everyone, this is Elisa with WTI, and today I want to show you one of my favorite drinks, and it's this mineral water by Pellegrino. This is a tangerine and wild strawberry, so if you like those two, you're going to love this mineral water. Not only does it taste great, but it smells delicious as well. This is delicious, and I love the fact that it has 0 calories. So this has no sugar added. This is not like a regular soda which is full of sugar. You can literally drink this knowing that it's not going to harm you. Pellegrino has high quality mineral water. I love all of them. I love the plain one. I love the flavor one. You're going to love any one you choose because they give fine mineral water that is high quality. So if you've been craving that soda but you're trying to stay away from those sugars, definitely check this one out. And that is my point of view.